Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how much money you can send per transfer on Remitly. Remitly transfer limits are not a single, fixed amount. They depend on several factors, including the country you're sending from, the country you're sending to, your account tier, and the delivery method. For example, if you're sending money from the United States, a basic account might have a daily transfer limit of around $2,999. This is for what Remitly calls Tier 1 users. As you provide more information and verify your identity, you can increase your limits. For a Tier 3 user, the limit could go up to $10,000 per 24 hours. The transfer limits also vary depending on the destination country. For instance, the single transaction limit for sending from the US to the United Kingdom can be as high as $25,000. It's important to know that Remitly has a tiered system to manage sending limits. When you first create an account, you start at a lower tier with more conservative limits. You can apply to increase your limits by providing additional documentation, like a government-issued photo ID and proof of address. The best way to find your specific sending limit is to check your Remitly account. The app or website will show you your current limits based on your account status and the destination you've selected. It's always a good idea to verify your limits before you initiate a large transfer to avoid any delays or issues. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.